bridal season is here, and it's a really wonderful season, and where everybody wants to have their skin glowing. This is one time of the year I know that we all want our skin to glow, not just the brides or the groom, but also all the guests, all the family members. We all want our skin to glow, and it's a wonderful time of the year. And we have a wonderful bouquet of facial kits, which you can go to your salon and ask them to give you a facial of whatever choice you want. So to start off with, let's give you a few of them and what you can use. So we've got a diamond glow facial kit. Now this is a fantastic facial kit, again, to give you radiance, revitalizes your skin, and this can be used, of course, for anyone who are there, guests at the wedding, bridesmaids, which I highly recommend to, even for the mother-in-laws, the mothers, they all can use this facial kit. And the other one is the gold facial kit. Okay, this is a gold facial kit which is for brides, and it gives radiance, it imparts that glow, and it gives you that wonderful feeling. Now, before I go on to the others, let me tell you also that why I am introducing this bouquet of, facials right now. The reason for that is that before your marriage, I highly recommend that you use, give yourself at least 4 facials. Every week a facial, because that is really going to keep your skin in good condition and make it, give you that glow which is going, and the radiance that is going to last for a long time. The other thing that I'd like to tell you is that whether it's the gold facial or the diamond facial kit that you're using for anybody, or the bridal glow, or any of these kits, if it's used with a machine, like your beauticians, of course, and your estheticians are going to know which machines to use with what, you're going to find that this facial is not just going to last you and give you a glow for that one evening or right through your wedding, but it's also going to carry on for 3 weeks. So it goes also on to the honeymoon. So it's a fantastic set of facials that I've specially designed for brides, for all those who go to these weddings, and everyone during the bridal season. So your skin can glow right through that evening and go right through for 3 weeks. So it's a wonderful thing. So I've told you about the diamond glow and the gold facial. Now I'm going to tell you about the bridal glow facial. This is highly recommended for brides. Till now also it's been used a lot from all our brides, and they find it fantastic. The other one, of course, is the skin glow facial, which again makes your skin glow. Highly recommended for bridesmaids. If you want to start off with a facial, you can use that. And also for mother-in-laws, for anyone, guests, it's a wonderful, wonderful facial. It removes all the dead skin, and of course it restores a clear, bright shine and glow to your face. It's a wonderful facial. Now, apart from these, we have the vitamin C brightening facial, which is wonderful for all age groups, and it really makes the skin bright, glow, and of course it helps any pigmentation or any blemishes that are there. This is a wonderful facial for all skin types. And last but not least in our kit is the jewel facial, which is something that makes you feel exotic. Not just makes your skin fantastic and give it that glow, but also you feel exotic. You really have these jewels that are in the facial, like quartz, like aquamarine. You have them like gold, pearl, silver, even platinum is in this, and it really gives the most wonderful glow. Now you can go and ask your beautician. They will recommend to you which are the facials, which facial you start with, how you do it, and it's wonderful done with machines. I really wish you all a wonderful, wonderful, wedding season, and of course, a happy married life to all those brides that are going to get married. Thank you.